Today for phonics, we are working on I can read GN words. GN says n because the G is silent. So sometimes the GN n sound is at the beginning of a word, like here, 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 and here. Sometimes it's at the middle or in the middle of a word, like here. Sometimes it's at the end of a word, like here and here. Your job is to drag and drop the pictures to the correct words. So let's go over what the pictures are. Some of them could be confusing. This is an animal called a gnu. This is a picture of someone gnashing their teeth. Gnashing your teeth means putting them together fiercely. So the word would be gnash. This is a picture of a blank sign. So the word is sign. This is a picture of a design. This is a picture of an insect called a gnat. This is a picture of a gnome. A gnome is a funny-looking man with a pointy hat. This is a picture of a dog gnawing on his bone. So the word is gnaw. This is a picture of someone doing an assignment. So let's go over the words my turn, your turn. Gnu, design, gnat, gnaw, gnash, sign, gnome, assignment. When you're done dragging and dropping the pictures to the correct boxes, make sure to press the X and then press the blue turn in button.